Here we will write a program to check entered number is perfect number or not. Perfect number is a positive integer which is equal to the sum of its positive divisors. So first in comment line we will write. For this, first we will define function check number with one parameter. First we will define one variable sum which is initialized with 0, and then we will use for loop. So for I in range 1 to n, so 1 comma n, and here we will check if n mod I equals 0, then we will add it to sum. So sum equal to sum plus I, and we will print I, that is the divisor of this n, and to print on same line we will use here end. So end equal to space. Then outside the for loop we will check if sum equal to n, we will print number is perfect number, else we will print number is not perfect number. Then outside the function we will accept number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number to check, and we will call the function check number and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we execute this. I will give the number 15. It will print number is not perfect number since 1, 3, 5 are the divisors of 15 and 1 plus 3 plus 5 is not 15. If we execute again, now I will give 6. It will print number is perfect number since the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6.